Hey guys, it's Tennille here, back from Shore Social, and I've got something new for you guys today for free. If you haven't already checked out my other video where I showed off my free subscribe animation, I have gone back to the drawing board and decided to make a new one for you guys, and it looks something like this. So basically, I just wanted to make a quick video just discussing with you guys why it's good to have these sort of lower third animations or even call to actions like my shirt to hopefully draw in some more viewers and more subscribers and maybe even some more likes and comments, which is what everyone wants anyways. But if you do want to get more of these free tools, make sure you are subscribed. So all you need to do is head into the description down below, click the link, fill out the form, you'll get the download straight away, and I'll show you how to download it now. So the link will direct you to a page like this. All you need to do is go up to the little download icon, click download, and let's open up a video editing software to show you how to actually add it to your video itself. So for today's tutorial, I'm using Camtasia, so let's jump into Camtasia. Here we are. So you will need to go ahead and import the actual subscribe animation. Once you've imported it, as you can see, there is a green screen behind me here. We do need to go ahead and remove that green screen. So to do that, we need to go ahead and do what's called either a chroma key, ultra key, or other. It does have other names in other editing softwares, but it is pretty correspondent across the board. So go ahead and find your color remove tool inside your editing software and drag that onto your timeline. Now what we need to do is go ahead and pick the color, which is green. So I'm going to use the eyedrop tool. There we go, all the green is gone. But as you can see, if we scroll in here, we can see that there is actually some green still behind the or around the edges of this animation, which we want to get rid of as well. So tweak around with your settings until it looks something like this. Once you've moved the green screen away from the background, you can go ahead and resize this however you like, move it to wherever you like as well. You can do whatever you like with it. I want to keep making these kinds of things for you guys, so if you have any ideas, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. Like I mentioned before, make sure you stay subscribed so you don't miss out on future videos, and it feels good to be back. I'll see you in the next one, guys.